Welcome to Study Loop.
Welcome back to another cross-product problem. This time we're trying to determine if the 4 points given are coplanar using a triple product method. The way we can do that is first find 3 vectors in this plane, starting at the same origin. So we could look at, for example, AB, AC, and AD, and then using the triple product method, calculate the volume of the corresponding parallel pipette. If that volume is 0, that means our parallel pipette is squished flat, and therefore the points are all coplanar. If not, if the parallel pipette has volume, then they're not coplanar. So AB is just B minus A, 3 minus 1, negative 1 minus 3, 6 minus 2. AC is C minus A, that's 5 minus 1, 2 minus 3, and 0 minus 2. And AD is 3 minus 1, 6 minus 3, negative 4 minus 2. In the triple product method, instead of doing this formula as a cross product and then a separate dot product, we can just plug in A, B, and C directly into this matrix here. So there's A, there's B, and there's C. And then we can calculate the cross product, same as normal, except instead of I, J, and K, we'll have these 3 numbers here. So usually what we would do is ignore the first column and look at negative 1 times negative 6 minus negative 2 minus 3. Negative 1 times negative 6 minus negative 2 times 3. And instead of I, we're going to multiply by 2. Minus, then we ignore our second column, 4 times negative 6 minus negative 2 times 2, 4 times negative 6 minus negative 2 times 2, and instead of being multiplied by j, we're multiplying by minus 4, plus, and then we ignore our third column, 4 times 3 is negative 1 times 2, all multiplied by 4. Since we don't have any ij's or k's, this is not a vector, but just a scalar, so let's add everything up. 6 minus negative 6 is going to be 12 times 2 minus negative 24 minus negative 4. That'll be minus 20 times minus 4. And then lastly, 12 minus negative 2 times 4. Plugging this all in, we're getting 24 minus 80 plus 56, which is indeed 0. Therefore, all of these points are actually coplanar. Thanks for watching.